Did you know that the cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth? It can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in just a few seconds. That's faster than any car in the world. When you're watching a nature documentary, you've probably heard this fact before. But did you know that there's a secret second part to this story? You see, cheetahs are amazing hunters, but they don't just rely on their speed to catch prey. They also use their incredible agility and balance to make quick turns at high speeds, allowing them to chase down and capture their prey. There are many other animals that could be considered the fastest in the world, like the peregrine falcon, which can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour when diving for fish. But when it comes to land animals, nothing beats the cheetah. Which animal do you want to see next? Comment below.